Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should press for a while on the application and drag it to another application. And now, as can you see, we got here the new folder on your screen. If you want to just add one more application here, just repeat the action with your finger. And as can you see, we got here 3 applications in our folder. You can also rename the folder. Just tap here on the name of your folder, and for example type the apps. Now just tap to confirm and go back. As can you see, you got here 3 apps. If you want, you can move your folder between the screens. Just press for a second on the folder and with your finger drag it. Also, you can take it back if you want. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, just press for a second on the app and drag it here to your screen by this way. Okay, if you want to just delete this folder, just move your last application from the folder on your screen, and that's okay. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.